Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to destination for honest and in-depth reviews of the best products on the market. Today, we're diving into the Aveeno Skin Relief Intense Moisture Hand Cream. If you're looking for the best hand cream to tackle cracked, dry skin, this is the product for you. Packed with soothing ingredients and a powerhouse of hydration, Aveeno's formula promises to provide long-lasting relief, especially for those battling rough, dry hands. As we all know, dry hands are a common problem, especially when it comes to constant hand washing or exposure to harsh weather conditions. Traditional hand creams often provide only temporary relief, leaving you reaching for more lotion every few hours. But with Aveeno Skin Relief, that's a thing of the past. This hand cream is designed to keep your skin moisturized, even after washing your hands, giving you the relief you've been seeking throughout your busy day. What sets Aveeno apart from other hand creams on the market is its key ingredient, prebiotic oat complex. Oat is well known for its ability to soothe and restore the skin's natural moisture balance. The cream is also fragrance-free, making it an excellent choice for those with sensitive skin or who prefer to avoid scents in their skincare products. Whether you're at work, at home, or on the go, you'll appreciate how gentle yet effective it is. Applying this hand cream is a simple and satisfying experience. It's not too thick, but it has the right consistency to glide smoothly over the skin, absorbing quickly without leaving a greasy residue. That's one of the things that users appreciate most about it. You don't need to worry about sticky or slippery hands after applying it, just soft, hydrated skin that feels replenished. Now, let's talk about the long-lasting benefits of this cream. Many of us know that applying hand lotion can often feel like a temporary fix, especially when you're washing your hands frequently. Aveeno's formula, however, is made to last through those frequent washes. This means your skin stays soft and hydrated for longer periods, reducing the need for constant reapplication. Another great thing about Aveeno Skin Relief is that it's dermatologically tested and designed for dry and sensitive skin. So, no matter how sensitive your skin may be, you can trust this product to offer the relief you need without irritation. Its clinically proven formula helps repair and maintain the skin's natural barrier, providing you with the intense moisture your hands crave. This hand cream is ideal for a variety of people, whether you have dry skin due to seasonal changes, work in environments that dry out your hands, or simply need an everyday hand cream that gets the job done. The 3.5-ounce tube is compact enough to fit into your purse, desk drawer, or car, so you can carry it with you and use it whenever your hands need a little extra care. If you're someone who's tired of using hand creams that don't live up to their promises, Aveeno Skin Relief Intense Moisture Hand Cream is a game-changer. It's an affordable, reliable option that provides lasting hydration and soothing relief for dry, cracked hands. So, if you're in the market for the best hand cream for cracked, dry skin relief, Aveeno is definitely worth considering. That's it for today's review here at Product Critique. Make sure to hit the like button if you found this helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews of the best products out there. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.